Aloha food lovers, welcome to another episode of Eats and Treats Oʻahu. Today I'm rolling over to one of Hawaii's most iconic spots, Leonard's Bakery. If you're on a mobility scooter like me, you'll love how easy they make it to enjoy their famous Malasadas. Located at 933 Kapahulu Avenue in Honolulu, Leonard's has been serving up these delicious Portuguese-style donuts since 1952. And trust me, accessibility here is top-notch. From ample parking to ramps and wide entrances, it's a breeze to get around. But let's talk about the real star, the Malasadas. Whether you go for classic custard, haupia, or their seasonal mango and guava, each bite is like a mini vacation to the islands. It's no wonder Leonard's is a must-visit for anyone who comes to Oʻahu. And if you're on the move, keep an eye out for their Malasadamobile, bringing all that deliciousness right to you. So, if you're in Honolulu, make your way to Leonard's Bakery and taste the Aloha. For more tips on getting around Oʻahu in a mobility scooter, check out YouGo Mobility at yougomobility.com. Don't forget to grab some Malasadas to share the love. See you at Leonard's.